first B-21 Raider bomber has entered the ground test phase for its expected rollout this year. In subsequent first flight, Northrop Grumman now has 6 of the stealthy next-generation aircraft in various stages of production. Tom Jones, Northrop's Aeronautics Systems President, confirmed it in a statement that the first Raider is now undergoing the ground tests. Palantir Technologies recently received a $34 million order supporting the modernization of a military network used to relay information across the globe. The Program Executive Office for Intelligence, Electronic Warfare, and Sensors announced that the Army Intelligence Data Platform deal includes software, training, cybersecurity, and help with testing and initial stand-up of the capability. An American subsidiary of Rafael Advanced Defense Systems received facility clearance. The Defense Counterintelligence and Security Agency granted Rafael Systems Global Sustainment the clearance in February. Rafael is known for technologies that include missiles and air defense. That includes the Iron Dome system. The company partnered with Raytheon on Iron Dome production and plans to open a production system to build them in the United States. And now around the world. Nordic governments are scaling up defense cooperation and preparedness planning against the backdrop of regional tensions over Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The Nordic states are looking to accelerate the deepening of joint defense measures that may lead to more serious discussions around the need for a Nordic-style solution modeled on the North Atlantic Treaty Article 5, which considers an attack on one member state to be an attack on all states. Political leaders in Helsinki, Stockholm, Oslo, and Copenhagen are becoming increasingly concerned that Ukraine may be a deliberate first step by Moscow to use the military force to reconstruct the Soviet Union empire that collapsed in 1991. Nordic suspicions, if proven accurate, would directly threaten the sovereignty of neighboring NATO-aligned Baltic states, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. Sweden and Finland have traditionally walked a fine line between lauding their close relationship to NATO while maintaining that their citizens want to keep out of the alliance. Yet the report cites recent polls showing that up to 53% of Finns now support joining NATO. That's compared to only 19% support in 2017. Meanwhile, Swedes are now 41% in support of joining the alliance, compared to 35% since the Russians took over Crimea from Ukraine in 2014. And that wraps up industry news for this week. When we return, we get a frontline update from a Ukrainian defense expert.